Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to show you how to see liked posts on Instagram. Maybe you don't want to like a photo anymore, or you want to see all your favorite photos that you've hearted. We'll show you exactly where to find that in the Instagram settings. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so here we are on my Android phone. Go ahead and load up Instagram so you can follow along. Once you've got Instagram loaded up, it's going to look something like this. And in the very bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see your little avatar or icon, usually a picture of yourself. You can go ahead and tap on that. From there, that's going to load up your account. And what we're looking for in the top right-hand corner, there's 3 lines. You should see those up in the very top right-hand corner. You can go ahead and tap on those. And it's going to load up a little menu for you that looks something like this. There's settings, archive, get insights, and your activity. Your activity is the one we're looking for today. You can go ahead and tap on your activity. And that's going to load up another menu for you that looks something like this. And there's a whole bunch of different options in here. And the third one down for myself says interactions. So let's go ahead and tap on interactions. And that's going to load up an option menu for you here where you can select from comments, likes, and story replies. So the one we're looking for today is likes. It's the second one down. You can go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to load up all the photos and videos that you've liked. So it's right there for you, and you can scroll through those and check out all your favorite photos. Now, if you do want to unheart or unlike something, let's tap on this first one here. This is a photo that I put on Instagram. You can see it's hearted there. We would just tap on the photo, and then you can tap on the heart there and unlike it, or you can tap on it again to like it. And it's really that simple to see the like posts that you've hearted on Instagram. So hope this tutorial gave you value and helped you see your like posts on Instagram. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.